You clicked on this video to create the perfect fall home smell because you're a cozy girl like me and you're ready for this fall season to be here, because when I recorded this, we're in August still, okay? But let's get started with how I'm going to show you how to make your home smell and feel like fall. Hi friend, if you're new here, I'm Brittany and we're about to become great friends. This new fall bundle includes the Fresh Start Diffuser, this beauty right here, and a beautiful array of essential oils that are perfect for capturing just that cozy autumn vibe without those harmful toxins, okay sis? And you're probably also wondering why I have a pumpkin. Because again, we're going for that fall vibe, and I asked my husband to get our fall stuff out. He said, nah, we're still in August. And I said, okay, can I get a pumpkin? He was like, okay, so we have our pumpkin. So let's move on to these awesome oils. So first off, we have the Fresh Start Diffuser. This one is not only beautiful and sleek and will look amazing in your home, but it also brings those cozy vibes that we're creating. It'll last a few hours and the price is amazing, okay? But in order to make that happen, we kind of need to plug it in and then tap it and put our oils in and water. So let's do that real quick. Before I actually tell you what those 3 amazing oil recipe was, I've created 4 more free diffuser recipes using all of these oils right here. And today we're only going to go through that one, but if you'd like the full list, just email me, which is in the description below, and I'll send you these warm blends right away, sis, okay? Now, imagine this with me, a warm welcome. When you step into that friend's home and that friend's home is like amazingly decked out with fall decor. It's got the desserts, it has the pumpkins, like it's to the 9 amazing. And it smells warm and it gives you just that warm, inviting feeling. You're also slightly envious, but we'll work on that later. Yeah, that is kind of what we're going to create with this smell and what I just put in that diffuser, which was, Clove, Bergamot, and orange oil. I like to call this blend my warm welcome. And each one of those oils, I did about 3 to 5 drops of each one. Now, I believe that whenever you invest in something, whether it's small or big, you should know what you're getting with. So let's talk about clove oil first. So clove essential oil is a rich and spicy quintessential fall scent. It's warming and comforting, and it makes it an ideal for like just that crisp autumn days and air, which I live in Texas, so we don't get them too often. But clove is fantastic in blends or even on its own to make your home feel warm and inviting. Next, we're going to move on to my girl Bergamot. Love her. So bergamot is like another citrusy oil, but with more of like a complex, slightly floral aroma. Like it's soothing and it can help create like just this calming environment. That's why she and I are besties, because bergamot is great for relaxing evenings, especially when combined with nutmeg or clove. And then our last oil is orange, which I think earlier I said nutmeg, but it's okay. Orange essential oil is a bright, uplifting scent that adds just like a sweet citrus note to honestly any blend. I love using orange in the morning just to help energize my space or my work, or just even when my kids need that little focus boost, you know? It's also great to mix with clove and cinnamon for like a classic fall version aroma. In the comments below, tell me what your favorite fall scent is, and I'll tell you mine in the comments below too. I'm not gonna lie, mine's a little basic, but you know, it's okay. We're good. So now in this kit, there are 3 other oils to talk about. but we're gonna save those for my next video. But let's focus in and hone in on this beauty right here. So do you remember our friend that we talked about earlier in that house? We're gonna call her Tamara, okay? And Tamara's home is decorated to the T, which we discussed. And it smells amazing, and she's got the diffuser going. And even though there's a few toys on the floor because Tamara's a mom and her life is not perfect, okay? The home is clean. Good for you, Tamara. And that cleanliness is giving off like a cinnamony, rosemary smell, thanks to this beauty and gem right here. And we call this guy the Thieves Cleaner, like all-purpose, plant-based. It's safe for your home, around kids. I even clean my kids' toys with this. And it just has that great natural cleaning power abilities without the harsh chemicals. So you're not going like this when you're trying to clean your toilet. Unless your husband was in there, and I get it. But I use this baby to clean my mirrors, my countertops in my kitchen, the toilets, the sinks, even my car windshield fluid gets cleaned by this guy. And that's just to name a few amazing ways to use it. And it's cost effective because this bottle, which you'll see right here in the picture, is what I use to clean it. And I have filled this bad boy up 28 times with this little bottle right here, okay? Because Tamara saved her coins by just getting this bad boy and using it 28 times diluted. She's gonna, those coins that she saved with, she's going to Hobby Lobby to buy more fall stuff. She's that mom. Easy tips on how to make your home smell like fall with these amazing oils and that Fresh Start Diffuser, plus the Thieves Cleaner. And this investment is retail value at $212.45. But come here, sis. Right now, it's only $130 while supplies last. And I think I also have a 10% off coupon that you can go buy more fall stuff because you saved and because I'm a good friend and we ain't gatekeeping about prices and how much things are, okay? Because in this economy and world, you know what I know. But I'd love to know what's your favorite fall scent in case you didn't already drop it in the comments below. Or if you have like a go-to diffuser because you're my essential oil buddies and you have a favorite diffuser that you love, share it in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation over there. Remember to inspire each other with all of the fall vibes. And remember, if you want one of those 4 recipes for free, just email me from my description and I'll send them right over to you, sis. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the other one that YouTube is recommending to you. It really helps out my channel a lot. Truly appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, as the leaves fall, this is so cheesy, but as the leaves fall, so can our worries. So let the beauty of autumn and the love we have with Jesus fill your soul. Love you, friend. Talk to you later.